Hey everybody, this is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. We have a rain barrel, it has a bulkhead and a valve in it, and connected to it, this black line here, this is a drip tape. This is a commercially available product, and I mean for commercial farming. I got it from TekSupply years ago, and I brought it with me when we moved here. I had a bunch of it left. I had 1,000 some odd feet of it left. What I don't like about this is that it kinks when you try to bend it. So it doesn't shape real well. It's basically pretty good at straight run stuff or row cropping. So we just have it connected to this barrel here, and I want to find out how well it would drip just at atmospheric pressure with gravity. Will this work in that little greenhouse? I'm not sure. We have a lot more slope that we're testing it on. It's likely that I will probably run soaker hose through that and maybe a barrel with a pump or some kind of PV direct pump or something like that. I'm not sure yet, or I might just spray it down with a little sprayer when it's time to water. Who knows? I like to automate as much as I can because it opens up my time. It opens up my time. The other thing about this is if I can't use it for that, along the property borders, we're going to be doing a lot of planting along the property borders. And I can see that it is dripping. I don't know how well you're going to see that there, but that's where it's dripping. So I can tell under atmospheric pressure it is dripping. And there's no pressure feed to this. You can just see it's a rain barrel here. There's no motor, no pump, nothing. But along the perimeter of our property, we have been trying to grow in a living fence, and I think what we're going to probably do is a mixture of fence and living fence, but irrigating it can be a pain in the ass, and I think has been kind of the downfall of some of the areas where I have planted. So if I can set up rain collection system and run the strip tape around the perimeter where it will drip based on gravity, then I think that might be a solution. It did take some time to get going. I actually filled this barrel up before we started putting the dirt in the little Amazon greenhouse over there. But I'll give you more details as we go and kind of sort out through this. Oh, hi, Mixie. Hi, Mixie. Remember I told you pets have a purpose? I let my cats roam. Okay, they're not inside cats. They're pretty much outside cats. Obviously, if the temperature gets too cold, but a lot of times what they'll end up doing is they'll come in through a little crawl that we left open in the garage, and they'll just curl up on top of the deca. They'll climb right up on top of it, and they'll just lay right on top of the furnace or in front of it, depending on how hot the deca is going. So anyway, this is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead, and we're figuring out whether or not we can use this commercial. Hi, kitty. Oh, I love you too. We're figuring out whether we can use this commercial drip tape that was designed for a pressurized system on just gravity. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Hey everybody, it's Matt with Low Cash Homestead. So we took the camera off the tripod, and I did that mostly because I wanted to show you, once again, a little bit more time has gone by, but this thing is dripping just fine off gravity. So I think that might be good news for us in some of our plans. It's Matt with Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Oh, I'm right here. Oh, there you go, kitty kitty.